I have received it. 100 million money models book. Alex Hormozi. Very happy. Very nice, beautiful package. Thank you. I can already tell that it's high quality. $30. It's a hardcover book. And you don't really get the kind of quality for $30 on a hardcover. I had to cover out my name and my address because I don't want anybody following me unless send out some free at info at africa.com. So let's open it up. Harder to open up than you think. Very secure. Actually, there was some rubber bands on it. I took the rubber bands off. Ta-da! 100 million money models by Alex Hormozi. How to make money. It already has 1 million copies sold in the 100 million series. Sorry. So already 1 million in the entire series. And if you saw the live weekend, you can add 3 million more to that. It's a note right here, a letter. Learn to launch a business and start collecting money in 30 seconds. So this is an advertisement for school. I'm so excited about school. I already got my membership. I don't know, guys. I signed up for mine's maybe I got mine's about 11 p.m. Saturday, 12 a.m. Saturday, 9 p.m. Saturday. I have to go back and show y'all the email. But I was under the impression that I was getting $9 for life. But I have I think it's going to be totally worth it. $9 pro for life. Let that be clear. But I believe that if I apply things the way that they say to apply things, Alex always says, people don't do the work. So if you do the work, who cares if it's $9 or $99? That's how I feel about it. Quick word from Layla. Shout outs to Layla. Shout outs to Trevor. Y'all did a great job when Alex went to the bathroom and got his rest. And I enjoyed listening. Learned a lot from both of you. Very beautiful. This is my first, honestly speaking, this is my first book in the Making Money model series. Yeah, it's like a Dr. Seuss book. It's like, remember All the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss? That's what this book reminds me of, just holding it. And that's one of my favorite books of all time. Beautiful. I finished the audio book this morning, and I was laughing at how many times he does the advertisement, to acquisition.com, /training/money. I know it was some more. See the little sketches? These sketches are beautiful. Free Goodwill offer. Oh, this is very nice. High quality. I wonder where it's going to fit. Once I finish reading, I have to go in one of the lower. This one is like my little, I'm doing other videos, grab stuff fast. That's why I leave that one a little. Maybe up here. Let's see. But first I have to read it. 100 million money models by Alex Hormozi. I'm halfway through the training. I've already listened to the audiobook, and I'm excited to listen to the audiobook again while I go through the actual book in real time. And I love the fact that the training has bonus tidbits. I forgot the word that he used, but it has more stuff than the actual book because, as an author myself, it's really hard to put everything in a book. These are my 3 books. I teach people how to move to the African continent. I'm from New York City, born and raised in Harlem. Family from the South, but I love traveling. I'm a travel influencer. I would have loved to be able to get the 6K package. I would have loved to be able to get the AI and all the other books. You see, I love books. You see, I love AI. But thank you, Alex. I have items to sell. I have packages. I'm looking to get my office together and also get my leads together. And I'm sure that the combination of all 3 of your books and all of your teachings is going to help me get to that level that I wanted to get to. Take care.